Yes, we've got the infamous Mr. Blue here.
How you doing, mate?
How you saying, my brother? Everything good, yeah?
Yeah, all good.
Yeah, man. Nice unit up here, isn't it?
Awesome.
Yeah. What you having done today for this?
I got to strip the bumper off.
Oh yeah.
Bumper's coming off. Boot plinth and the sunroof. I scratched it
Oh,
when I assembled it.
okay. Getting
Like an
repainted then, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked, man.
Like an idiot amateur.
Oh, the paint job on this is
It's
awesome.
good. And
bro.
it's a gun finish.
So not polished, just
Not
literally
polished,
straight out the
straight
gun,
off
just
the
like
gun.
this. Yeah.
That's how I like them. Straight
Nah.
off the gun.
Nah, it's awesome, bro. Literally, if it's just come out the gun just like this is amazing, bro.
Good job, innit?
Yeah, lovely, lovely. Wow, amazing. Really nice paint job. This blue, do you know what? I think this blue looks really good, even like when it's not sunny, when it's a bit dark, like the weather we got today.
Right
It still looks
Yeah.
lovely, man. It still pops. It really pops. Like you know, compared to mine,
Yeah.
my one doesn't really pop. If it's not like bright, it doesn't really look that great. But yeah,
It's
this
cool,
is
innit?
lovely, bro.
So gotta get the bumper off.
Yeah.
These bad boys off. They are so hard to get.
Oh really?
The originals are hard to get. So
Wow.
you can get repos, but
Yeah.
it's a repo. you know.
Okay, cool, man. This is a nice unit as well. We're gonna make a separate video on this whole unit. Does a lot of classic restorations here. Mainly what, BMW?
Mainly BM, yeah.
Mainly BM. If you look at the shop, it's amazing. This is just all the bare shells in here, isn't it?
That's right, yeah.
All right. This is just a few of the bare shells, isn't it?
That's it.
Just very few of the bare shells that are in this whole
Probably like
unit.
30 here, I don't know.
Wow.
He's got-
Amazing. These are BMW shells, ain't they?
Yeah, 2002 and BMW 2002, not the year.
Wow.
People keep saying it.
Definitely a 2002 BMW.
Alpha Spider.
Wow.
We've got E9s. It's an E9 specialist BM.
Oh wow, amazing. Yeah, you can see. I mean,
All these sandbars ready to get restored, so
yeah, ready to be done.
they know what they're doing. I mean,
This is amazing. These cars are going to look epic when they're done. But we'll take some clips over down the main unit over there in a moment. And there's one BMW that's pretty much 80% complete, isn't it?
that's right, yeah.
Oh, wicked. All right, cool. So what, you're going to get cracking on this?
Yeah.
All right, well, wicked, awesome. Cool. See you guys in a bit. Look how clean this engine is.
What do you guys do for a living these days if you do work?
We just doss around. That's all we do.
Pardon?
We just doss around.
You just fuck around.
That's all we do.
That's alright.
Life's too short to work.
Pardon?
Life's too short to work.
Yeah.
I only do this because I enjoy doing it.
That's it.
That's it. Do what you love. Do what you enjoy doing. I mean,
You know,
can't go wrong.
The rules of the game say I should have retired, 10 years ago. I'm just coming up to 75.
Oh my! You hear that? You hear that, Mr. Blue? 75. Wow. But do you know what? Like,
And now they've taken the free TV licence away from me.
that's horrible, isn't it? That's horrible, isn't it? I mean, they lock you up for stuff like that now. You don't pay the TV license. It's mad.
Fucking disgusting. You know, I dread to say it, but one of my girlfriends, right,
Yeah. Which
she
one?
is just coming up to 60,
Yeah.
right? But you wouldn't think she's 60 by looking at her.
Really?
Yeah. And they've just extended their pension age, haven't they?
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
50.
Yeah, yeah. Can you explain what you're doing today, Mr. Blue? Taking off the bumper, as you said.
Yeah,
actually.
we've got to look after these.
Oh, these rare
These are brand new OEM
OEM.
rally indicators.
Wow. Very hard to get. Do you ever see this car, boys? Just pinch them lights. I'll be back in 20 minutes, sir.
No worries, Tom. Take it easy. Let's get these bad boys off.
Mr. Blue, is this like a tutorial? Or is it quite simple, isn't it? Just
Yeah, this is how you nick. This is how you nick rally indicators. So dump that in there.
Very nice.
Just put these away.
Put them safe, somewhere safe.
Do you know what I mean?
You're gonna put them in my pocket.
That's it. Might cross them. Yeah, put them away. Yeah, so they're out of the way. Let's get this off.
Plate
there you
off.
go.
Plate off. Badged. Nice. Guys, the paint job on this car is amazing.
Not bad, eh?
Definitely not bad. I mean, you can't tell on camera, but if you ever see this car in person at a show.
Scrutinise it. As they always do.
Wow. Yo, bro, like your alternator's like, got
Yeah,
not
yeah.
one bit of dust on it even.
Yeah, I had to clean it.
We've got the roof off.
Yeah.
Sunroof.
The reason being, it's not being wet flat, but there's a few imperfections in it.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
And I dented it stupidly.
Oh, wow.
Do you see that ding?
Yep, you can catch that on camera,
Stupidly
yeah.
dented it by accident. So
Wow, okay, so that's gonna get redone.
yeah,
So we're not playing around, like any little sort of imperfection that you've noticed, like this is all getting sorted out, it's all getting rectified.
yeah,
How it should be, you know, nice and mint and show standard.
yeah.
Awesome.
But still drive it though. Do you know what I mean? Still drive it. You know me.
Yeah, of course,
In the rain
100%.
and
Well,
that,
you know, I mean, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Why not? I mean, you can't just leave it at home and let it sit.
Yeah. When they sit around, they die.
Yeah, 100%. I mean,
All the minters you see that have been in these storage facilities, they're all dead.
yeah.
Fuel pumps are dead.
Well, you know, they should be driving them. They should be driven. I think all cars should be driven, bro. Like, if you just leave a car under the cover in a garage,
Yeah.
then it's a shame. It's not getting used.
Go on, Harvey. Do it on it.
Yeah.
Check this out. Do it on it.
Good idea, bro.
There you go. So we'll get this off. I'll get the sunroof seal off. Send it to the painters.
They'll do a nice job on that,
That's it.
No.
Easy to work on. This.
and they'll get fitted back up.
Yeah.
Did you say quite easy to work on?
So easy.
Mr. Blue?
How many bolts? What,
That was quick.
10
That
bolts?
was, yeah, literally like
20 seconds.
That didn't take long at all. Like, that was quick.
So,
So very, very easy to work on and do.
yeah. While it's
do
out,
the
before
DIY
we
bits.
put it back in, I'm going to restore all this. Strip this out fully.
Oh
Restore all this back to
Okay.
black. Maybe polish. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
See.
Yeah, maybe you can go
You
to
know.
black. Yeah, we look really cool, man.
Get this shit out, crap out of it.
Yeah, all that dirt,
So,
and debris.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Isn't
should.
it?
Yeah, man, look, it should come out really good.
Do that. Use unbolt this. What's that Phillips? That a Phillips in.
All right, guys. So literally got Mr. Blue's bumper from his G60 stripped. That's going to go off to paint in a moment. We've got the sunroof stripped and the rear boot plinth stripped. So literally, the reason why this is all getting painted is because we've got
Scratch up to it. All that's scratched.
yeah, this is
I like
scratched.
that.
So yeah, That's getting done. This has got a slight imperfection as well.
Yeah, a bit of paint mist there, Mario.
Bit of paint mist there.
You missed it.
So that's going to get redone, and we've got a couple of
Things in the sunroof.
number plate holes there that are going to get filled up, and a couple of dings in the sunroof. So literally, but to me, if I looked at it, I'd have thought it just got painted and it's ready to go on your car. But yeah, obviously you want it to look
Deeper into it.
yeah, 100%. Yeah, you want it to look match the rest of the car, which is amazing.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah, lovely paint job, and the guys that painted this car, bro, did this car justice because it looks better than factory.
Yeah.
You know, I'd say.
The previous dude I sent it to paint.
Yeah.
You know, when I sent it to paint to this a mate of mine,
Yeah.
he just rubbed it back and he just excuse after excuse.
Yeah, yeah.
Handed him the money to paint it, the material cost.
Mhm.
He just didn't paint it. 3 years later,
Yeah.
it wasn't painted.
Wow.
So I did it to Dom at CLA,
Okay.
and he just handled it.
These
in a
guys, I
month.
went to town on the car, bro.
Yeah. In 1 month, it
yeah.
was done.
Amazing. The camera's not going to pick it up, but on the next video we do on the review of this car, I'm going to make sure the camera catches many angles of the car, so you can really get an idea of what this car looks like in person. But but right now off to the body shop to drop these bits off. Check this 3 litre CS. 3 litre CS. Wow. I love the interior in these old school Beamers, bro. Like, this is so 60s, isn't it? 60s, 70s. So nice.
Whoa.
Double tap the M button.
That
and
one?
then come, yeah, reset. There you go. Yeah. If this is an auto box as well.
Yeah.
Well, look how much class that interior's got. It's real old school, like, it's not going to be like everyone's taste, but I love this old stuff. Beautiful, I love it. Check this out, check this out. Check this out. Have a look at that. You hear that button when I pressed it?
Yeah.
That, oh, wow, man. Look at that interior. Look at that brown interior, brown seats. Old school BMW. This is like proper
It's
German
classic.
engineering, man. Back then, still solid.
That click.
Alpina, I think this is Alpina model. It's amazing, man. If you come follow me this way. This is actually one colour, isn't it?
Yeah. It's off the newer BM.
Yeah. This is lovely, man. Oh, we see that BMW actually. Again, look at the interior of this car. This car just had carpets done, didn't it, by Dom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful interior.
Look at that dash.
Yeah, that dash is just wow. They don't make nothing like this no more. So this is what all the parts. These are all BMW parts, badges, we've got light covers, everything, wiring looms.
This is done for you. All switches,
Wow.
caps, handles. What are they? Grab handles,
Wow.
speedometers. Everything's all categorised. It's all. Here's your little cassette player.
Cassette players. I want an 8-track, bro.
Yeah.
Wow, look, all the custom remade exhaust systems,
Brand new.
springs.
Everything. This is nothing. This is just.
This is just some of the
5%
bits
of it.
he has.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Nothing.
these are the kind of bits you need when you're restoring cars.
Tanks. Even this needs to get filled yet, so all the chrome strips, bumper strips, side window chromes, glass,
Wow.
rear lamps.
This stuff's really hard to get hold of, people.
Yeah,
Like,
grills, everything.
yeah.
This is like the mecca of E9s, you know what I mean? E9 BMs.
E9 BMs. There you go, people. There's all the bits. Clocks. Wow. I want one of them clocks in my car.
Yeah.
I just put it in my pocket.
That's it.
Wow.
Everything still needs filling up.
Yeah, this is all going to get filled up. Still a lot of bits to go in. Some nice door cards in the door. Yeah, you got to be very organised. Wow.
It's a gold mine. Big operation.
Definitely is. What's this, Mr. Blue? Do
It's a little grip blasting machine.
you want to put your hands in?
Nah,
Give us a
not really.
demonstration.
Basically, you put your part in there.
Oh, you put your part in
Put
there?
your
Yeah.
part in there.
Yeah. Put your hands in there.
Blast. Yeah, it's a bit messy.
Oh,
It's
gotcha.
never.
Sorry,
gonna
I
be-
didn't mean to get
No, I
your hands
mean, it's more. It's a bit more like sandblasting.
in. Yeah, yeah.
I prefer
Gotcha.
wet blasting, aqua blasting,
Okay.
because it gives you that polished finish,
Okay, fair enough.
and it doesn't get rid of the. It doesn't give a matte finish to the aluminium.
Well, fair enough.
But it's all good because if you're gonna powder coat something, that's really good. It gets all rid of the rust. And they come out like, for example here, they'll come out like this.
Oh, got you. Yeah.
Yeah.
All ready.
But I like to wet blast it so it gives it a nice original OEM finish.
Okay. And what are these? Oh, I think these are from the previous.
Yeah.
People
Like a
again.
previous engineering company.
All right, guys, and that's the tour of the parts room, which is only like half complete.
CE 970
So it's a Mercedes, what,
280 CE.
280C.
I think it's a 72.
Just check
so
the interior out in this old school Mercedes. Wow, that was so classy.
back then, man.
Even now, and it, look at that. That is so nice. Look at
wood.
that. Wow, man, that's beautiful. Automatic gearbox. So this car was built way before we were born.
Yeah. Probably a year before you were born. 72.
Hey, I'm 87, bro. But wow, just look at the design of this car. Do you know what? I love these wheels. I love these wheels and how they've got that like center
Badge on
matching the color of the car. I think this is going to be restored here at this unit at CLA. But wow, look at this. Look at this, man. Look at the front end of that. Wow. This is in need of some major
I don't know,
restoration.
it's so rusty that I can't even
Is
see
this a
the badge
Beamer
on
at the
it.
front here?
BM,
Oh, it's a BM. Wow.
yeah. All of them.
Wow. Look at the front of this car though, yeah? The front of this car. Just look at it. Look. It's like a piece of art, bro. Like, it looks so good.
Sharp nose, isn't it?
Yeah, sharp nose. And you can tell the front grills on BMW kept those grills.
Perfect.
Kidney grills. Oh, another Beamer.
E-type.
Ooh,
Nice
we got an E-type here. Wow, this is so... It's got such a long nose, hasn't it? Such a long nose. Wow, look at the interior of this. And the back end. Corvette. And some rusty old Beamers over there.
Cool cars, man.
For sure. We're definitely going to be covering a lot more footage from this unit. So watch the space.